my name is Izzatul Fahmah. You can call me Izzat, and in this video I will talk about Lok Baintan Floating Market.
Jalan-jalan ke Martapura, singgah sebentar membeli intan. Kalau Bapak Ibu mau wisata, datang aja ke Lok Baintan.
Iya, mantap.
Banjarmasin is a city in the province of South Kalimantan, Indonesia. As we know, Banjarmasin is closely known as Kota Seribu Sungai. This city does have a fairly wide area, as evidenced by the many small islands or deltas separated by rivers. Banjarmasin itself is formed by 5 small rivers, including Siandai River, Signaling River, Keramat River, Jagabaya River, and Pangeran River. The 5 rivers emptied into a lake. The word Banjar itself comes from the Malay language, which means land up along the banks of the river. There are interesting things that you can find when visiting Banjarmasin, one of which is the floating market in Lok Baintan. Lok Baintan Floating Market, or also known as the Martapura River's Floating Market, is a traditional floating market for the Banjar people. This market is located in Sungai Pinang Village, Sungai Tabuk Subdistrict, Sungai Tandipah, Banjar, South Kalimantan Province. Around the year 1595, the Banjar Kingdom began to stand and it was not separated from the start of the floating market in Banjarmasin. The floating market itself is part of a river port called Bandar Masi. River port include the Queen River, Barito River, to the Kalayan River in southern Banjarmasin. However, many indigenous people in Banjarmasin think and believe that the floating market itself existed before the founding of the Banjar Kingdom. The existence of the floating market also increases the local economy. This traditional market has unique characteristics. Namely, the traders sell the product on traditional boats, are also called jukung. It seems if you go on vacation to Banjarmasin but don't have time to stop by the floating market, which has become the icon of the city of Banjarmasin. To get to the Lok Baintan floating market, you can take 2 alternatives from the city center. The first alternative is to go down the Martapura River by using klotok, a type of motorized canoe. With klotok, the trip from the city center to the floating market is fairly fast because it takes about 13 minutes. And if you feel drunk using the ship, then you can use the second alternative, namely by using land vehicles such as cars. However, for the second alternative, it takes about an hour to reach the floating market. This is because the terrain tends to be heavy and tortuous. In addition to its original function as a place for buying and selling groceries, in the end, the floating market has also become an icon for the city of Banjar to attract many domestic and even foreign tourists. The history of the floating market itself is actually very long, and if you draw a red line, the area that is now used as the location for this floating market was once a battleground between the Kingdom of Banjar and the Kingdom of Daha. And now, the South Kalimantan provincial government has made the floating market a water tourism destination. Apart from Lok Baintan, there are 2 other floating market locations. To be precise, in Muara Queen and in front of the Grand Mosque of Siring Tenden. These 3 locations are the mainstay of tourist visit. To participate in the busy activities of this floating market, you have to get up down and hurry to the Lok Baintan floating market as quickly as possible, because the later in the day there will be less crowd of traders who are active. Trading activity starts at 6 a.m. until 9:30 WITA. The traders are dominated by women wearing hijab, or Banjar people call it tanggoy. As the Lok Baintan Floating Market, we will be presented with views of the activities of traders who sell a lot of agricultural products such as grain and fresh vegetable, kitchen spices, chilies, onion, and the like. There are also plantations products such as corn, potatoes, carrots, and the like. The sensation of buying and selling transaction on a boat will be unforgettable experience in your life. However, not many local residents buy groceries from the riverbanks. There is another interesting thing about the culture of the indigenous people of Banjar, namely the sale and purchase agreement. The seller will say the word jual or dijual, and the buyer will reply tukar or ditukar, which means to buy. The gold sold are also varied, ranging from agricultural product, plantations, river catches to snack cake. So if you are hungry because you haven't had time to eat after waking up and down, you can just buy market snack in one of these markets. What makes Lok Baintan Floating Market different and more unique? Usually the buyers use the barter method. Currency is not the main means of payment here. So generally, people will exchange their products such as vegetable and fruits, and the amount of exchange depends on the agreement between the buyer and seller. The reason I discuss this floating market is because young people today don't know much about the history of the floating market in Banjarmasin, even though Banjarmasin itself is closely related to the floating market. And also because there are still few people who promote this floating market, so that the floating market is still foreign to the ears of the Indonesian people. Therefore, let's together preserve and live one of the icon traditional markets in Banjarmasin, and also let's help the economy of the residents around the floating market, so that this floating market is always crowded and not extend later. If you visit Banjarmasin, don't forget to take time to visit Lok Baintan Floating Market and create your precious moment while enjoying the sensation of buying and selling transaction on a boat that will be unforgettable experience in your life. So I think that's enough for my explanations about the floating market this time. Thank you for watching. Sorry if there are many mistakes, and I hope that this video can be useful for all of us. In closing, I will present a snippet of the Lok Baintan Floating Market. Enjoy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.